Morning! We're taking a break from the timing stuff on our Ford Ranger so that we can do another installment of silly Ford things. Let's have a look. So, I've just had a delivery. We've got our brand new heater hoses. So, this short one is the one that goes from there down to the back of the head. Now, they came in as a set, and as I said, might as well do both because this one is not long behind. So we've got that one here, no problem, happy days. So I'll get those installed pretty quick. This here is an air hose. As you can see, here's our problem, but that's for the turbocharger. That sits right there actually. And the turbocharger pumps out high pressure air to go through to the engine to make it have extra power. And obviously this being a weak point means this hose is very ready to split. So I have ordered this point, and here is where we come to Silly Ford Things episode 2522. I ordered the hose piece, and this was the only piece that I could purchase. The entire assembly just for this little part here. I was not able to split it, unfortunately. It's a bit frustrating. So that means that when I was pulling out the power steering, I dismantled a whole lot of stuff I didn't really need to because I didn't know at the time that I'll have to buy everything anyway. So, yes, that's what we've got for today. Next video will be on timing. And yeah, cool. Stay tuned.